My name's Anne Cook. I live at number 2 Wenall Uchaf, Dolgellau. It's a quiet street. We have good neighbours and the houses are fantastic. Moving to this street has made a massive difference to our lives in that because we're foster carers and we have a foster child where we lived before, we didn't have a garden, a safe place for the foster children to play. And now we have a lovely garden where we can keep the children safe and it's a nice quiet area, so we feel that that has helped with our fostering experience as well. We're not embarrassed to ask our friends round anymore. Where we lived before we didn't have a garden, it was a dull, dreary, dark house, and here it's bright, it's airy, it's clean, the gardens are lovely. It's very quiet and it's just a lovely place to be, and now I can't wait for my friends to come round and visit. When I get up in the morning out my bedroom curtains, the view is fantastic. We can see all the way along to Precipice Walk, Llaneltid, the Melfach estuary, and it's just every day the view is different. The sunsets are different, the sunrises are different, and it's just fantastic.